All right, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, everybody out there. Um, Hello to all my Movie Pass people. I know that a lot of you guys must be coming back because um, this is definitely my most watched kind of videos. I don't have anything that's too viral or anything that's too good, obviously, because I'm not getting many click throughs. But nonetheless, this is one that definitely drives up some of my views and my watch time. So, as always, if you guys like this, if you guys like Movie Pass, come back and check it out. I do it every couple weeks. I'll do a rundown of what's being offered because, man, I'm telling you what, if you're just now new to Movie Pass, they were royally putting it to us. Customers a few months ago, they just weren't offering anything. They were stuck to solely independence. They were going through a lot of troubles. I think that, this being the new year, that they've definitely got some new funds in line. They've been doing a lot of stuff with the actual parent company. So hopefully this is better. But as always, thanks for watching, guys, and go check out my other videos if you guys like. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and show you guys what's out. You can see what time we are in. This is the end. Back into February, which today's actually the 20th. So let's see. This is just a random Wednesday night. Let's see what they've got offered here. Of course, they got A Dog's Way Home, Star is Born, not any, only one showing left, and it is 4:47. So you can see I might have missed a few earlier on, but I wouldn't have been able to go to those anyway. You got Alita that you can go see, Cold Pursuit, Glass. Again, a couple showing times for each one of these. Happy Death Day to You. Isn't It Romantic? My Fair Lady 55th Anniversary. Spider Man, the Lego Movie, The Mule, The Prodigy, The Upside. They shall not grow old. What man? Oh my! They just keep surprising me. I mean, I've never seen this many movies come out before. So it's I'm just happy that I was able to stick around and suffer through the bad months. But right now they're doing a real good job, and I hope they can keep it up. And you can see a couple other new movies if you change the movie theaters where I'm at. And again, in my other videos, I am on the select plan. I'm at 9.95. My location is 9.95. So, I'm still capped at my 3 movies a month, which is plenty for me. Um, but it's just, yeah. I mean, I'm just so elated and so happy every time I come in here. Uh, of just seeing movies to watch. So, there were so many times where you'd be so upset and so depressed. You'd come out here and you would see nothing. No show times. They went that through that point where they were charging more for premium show times, which is again ridiculous. But I'm just glad they got rid of all that stuff. And right, the last 2 months since the beginning of the year, honestly, they have been really, really good. So thumbs up to you, Movie Pass. But anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you guys want to see how bad some of the other, go back and check some of the older videos of my Movie Pass, and you'll see how bad this thing really was. So it's really nice to see all these movies be offered. But I hope you guys will enjoy watching this one as well. Thanks for coming back, for all you supporters coming back. But please hit that thumbs up or like, and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to what I call being a successful YouTube channel. That's of course the point when you can start to monetize and see if you can actually make money with YouTube. So I'm really trying to see can we make it, and the whole point of my channel is to take you guys along the ride, show you guys what it takes, and all that. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.